You found video game stuff? That's not something you normally see at a garage sale. How much are the video games? This is interesting. Morning.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you guys doing? Legos?
Legos.
Probably there's so many sets in there that are just boys and girls. So
Does it have like the minifigures and stuff like that too in here?
there's might be whatever came with like the set. We've had them for years. And
Here's
I would
there,
keep
there.
it for like any, because I have two girls. So
Yeah.
any boys that like
Come over here,
Yeah,
something to
like-
play with. Smart.
I got something, but now I'm ready to get rid of it.
Don't tear up the house. Here, play with Legos.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go get water for stuff. Okay, and grab the extra refill pads.
Now that she's gone, whatever you want to offer.
Harry Potter. Would you just take 5 for the wallet at all?
For which one?
You have 10 on that. Would you take 5?
Jane, is this yours or Kate's?
That's mine.
Would you take
Wait,
5?
the purse?
The purse, yeah.
That's Kate's.
Kate,
Kate.
$5 for the purse?
Yeah.
Perfect.
There you go. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Yep. Thank you. We should get around 20-25 bucks for this. It's in great condition. My wife got to this yard sale before I did, and she found a huge container of video games for Nintendo Wii. You found video game stuff?
I kind of sell all the Wii stuff together, like the Wii accessories, games, everything for like 100.
100?
We have got like the workout mat and like other bunch of stuff in there. I think she went to Zoho.
Was there any other games or just this?
It's just that.
You guys just buy it for a Guitar Hero?
I think we didn't get it from our neighbor.
Oh, okay.
Stuff like that.
Would you guys consider 80 for it?
Sure.
Okay. Are you finding stuff too? Oh, you got cards?
Yeah, I have a lot of stuff listed on eBay. These are just themes.
Gotcha. You have good, like, higher end stuff you list on eBay?
On eBay, I do have some stuff. I've got a lot of stuff that's got submitted off to PSA and stuff like that. That is like older cards.
Any stuff you want to sell today?
So much you have to.
I mean, because I buy out collections and I buy out like stuff. I mean, if you
Yeah, right. Because right, like I'm in the middle of right now, like filling sets. Like if somebody wanted a particular card from like a set back in the 90s, I have like
oh, so you're putting a lot of commons and stuff up there. Though are you using like Card Dealer Pro, or what are you using the list?
I'm using just eBay.
eBay, okay.
I'm just going in through multiple and just creating a drop.
Yep,
down for
drop.
everything.
Okay, so that's what you're doing.
Everything should be.
Get processed.
Look at the little kid sets. Yeah.
And I owe you, what, 2?
Thank you guys.
Oops, sorry. That's not something you normally see at a garage sale. With a scuba gear.
Gear.
That's right.
That's most of that's like
Our
cold weather.
Cold water gear.
Yeah.
We don't want to ever be in cold water again.
Yeah, we're
so.
done with cold water. This does not belong in here. Excuse me. It's gonna grab this. Oh,
What
put
is-
it where it belongs.
Disney Fairy Tales. That's cool.
She knows about. I don't know anything about that stuff. But
How much is? What do we have over here?
Okay, so these are some collector purses.
Okay.
They're Dooney and what was that? They're Dooney and Burke, and you can't. They've been discontinued for a
Yeah.
long time, so they're kind of pricey. So I'm asking $150 for this one, $100 for the pink, and then I'll do $30 for the smaller.
Okay. And then how much is that?
This is also a collector's item, and I'm asking $100 for those.
100 for that one. Can I look at the box?
Sure. It's a little bit unique. I worked for the Disney stores here.
Okay.
And I won it they gave up after the sale was done for those.
Yeah.
They like raffled them off for the employees. And so
I figured so because I saw the sample on the back of it. Yeah. You used to work for Disney? Mm-hmm. That's awesome. Yeah. How do you like it?
Oh, you used to work.
Oh, used to. Oh, used to.
Used to work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do
I liked
not
it.
still, but yeah.
I liked it, and then they closed off our stores.
Yeah, it's a shame.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
the
really,
parks were great.
really was. Oh yeah, it was.
Full of missions and parks.
Yeah, we got into the parks whenever we wanted to, and
Would you consider 25?
sure.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you. There you go. But not often I get to talk to people that love. What is that? Been to Thailand.
Oh, that's a water bottle holder. It's cute. You
Okay.
can put it around
How
the
much
top
is
of the
that?
Water bottle, 50 cents.
Okay. And then, so here we go. That's fine. I don't need change.
Oh, you sure? I
Yeah.
got it.
Then I'm just gonna have quarters running around my pocket, and
I know.
yeah,
I
it's just.
know.
Blink in and you don't know what to do with it.
Thank you so much,
All right, guys. Have a great
Jess.
day.
Picked it up for 25 bucks. We added that to her Disney collection. She loves it. Good morning. Bunch of handbags.
How are you guys today?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Good morning, guys. How are you? Good, and you?
Is that like a little bicycle camera?
Yeah, yeah. I film my yard sales. I go out and about, kind of like American Pickers. Yeah.
And it's so convenient.
Yeah, yeah. It's just hands free, and I'm good to go. Nothing bad ever came from a giant beanbag, right?
I remember the one I had.
Yeah. I remember the one. I remember the mess my mom yelled at me for too.
Exactly. This one actually it's like contained inside.
Oh, is it?
Like a low sack type, yeah. Kind of, yeah.
Oh, okay.
My son had it in college and he like fell in love with it. Yeah. He used to sleep on it all the time.
Are all the handbags 25 in here?
That regular handbags, little wristlet and wallet at 10.
Okay. So that would be 25?
Yes.
Would you,
Good morning.
would you consider 15 for it? Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And they're real coaches, so you're not going to.
Oh, yeah. I could tell already from the just touching them and feeling them.
Yeah, I just never use it, so.
Yeah.
Thank
And I
you.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Take them all.
Yeah. These three. This is interesting.
Yeah, I used to do a lot of pouch work back in the day. I used to have a pink, like a version of this in pink.
I don't know.
see.
All right, you said take them all. So, not taking them all, but here, this is. What would you do for all these ones here?
What did you even have them as? I think they were, what, 30 each? And you did
25.
So,
They're 25 each on the
right,
thing.
so 25, 75, and then those were like, what?
10 each.
Thank you, Martha. Yeah, I'm so easy.
You're so easy. How about $60 for it all?
What did you say? Because one of those is yours.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. There
Cool.
you go.
I appreciate you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You?
She's a
She's
puppy.
friendly?
Yeah, please pet her. We're trying to socialize her. So
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Mama. She say hi. You can pick her up.
Oh, I will get her smell me first and stuff like that. Here we go.
We've been petting out.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, we have 2 little pitties at the house,
Oh, I
and
love my pitties.
oh, look at her.
Like, please socialize her.
Yeah.
We're trying. We're trying.
Hi, oh, look at you. How
Her
old?
name is Rumi. She's almost 16 weeks.
Oh, 16 weeks.
Almost.
What's her name?
Rumi.
Rumi. Good morning. Oh, look at this. Got yourself a little lemonade stand? Okay. Mango punch.
Wow.
We'll take 1 mango punch. It's cool.
That's cool.
Different.
It's different.
One second, let me get some paper.
Thank you. $2, please.
Okay. All right. So what do I owe you? $2. All right. 1, 2, and then here's the tip.
Thanks.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Morning. Aw. Friendly?
Yeah, he likes to.
Hi. Oh, look at you.
Loves people.
Oh.
Someone's petting me.
Do you smell the girls?
Oh.
Hi, baby.
No jumping, Cayman.
Candace.
Calm down. That's what he
Yeah.
does. You give him a
We
little
have
attention.
kitties at home, and they're much bigger.
Yeah,
I
and
had to get very excited.
Sit down.
So cute.
Stay there.
He's so excited. It's okay. I love it. Yeah, you just want love. You just want a bunch of love.
Hey, come here. Hey.
Is that Harry Potter? Listen.
Okay.
How much are the How much are the bags in here?
Hey, let's go on. Let's go.
$5. I'll give you $5 for it.
Sit down.
I think I took the Hufflepuff. Oh.
I don't know where it is.
Which is hers? Our house.
Do you have a $5 bill? Thank you so much. Thank you. You guys too. What? No. Good morning.
What do you mean go around the circle?
Hey Jess. Hey Jess. A bunch of books. My wife loves Colleen Hoover.
Yes, big fan. But I have to get rid of books in order for my husband to allow me to buy more books.
Hey, you guys better watch your Pokemon cards gonna blow
I
away.
know they're gonna blow.
How much are the video games?
I'm the same. 5 apiece.
5 apiece. Okay.
Yeah, I'm the same with mugs as well. I have to get rid of one to bring another one in. My 2 favorite things though, coffee and reading.
Yeah, we've been hitting up the garage sale. She's been like scoring big. She likes all like the murder mystery, serial killer type of stuff.
Yeah. So I'm reading a good one now. I don't know if you've read it. It's 13.
I always get this one.
Okay.
It's on my read list.
Okay, do your math, guys.
This is, I think, oh, good. I'll let you do the math.
Yep. We're testing their math skills. 37. Okay. 60 and 3.
I was waiting for a yard sale. I was going to spend like $50
Thank
just
you.
because I figured it'd be easier for the thing, but thank you. Once again, I had so much fun picking with my wife, and I will tell you guys how important it is to have someone with you when you go picking. They don't even have to be a picker, and that's the best thing. Like, my wife helped me out so much on this day. Honestly, I probably would have missed out on a bunch of stuff. When we pulled the 1 yard sale, there was like 3 yard sales there. I went to the right, she went to the left. She was able to find that entire tote full with the Nintendo Wii guitars and everything in there. You know, we ended up getting that for $80. We'll probably get about $200 out of that. But someone else could have came up and got that because I was at the other yard sale. So it was important to have her there with me. And then that yard sale that had the Coach purses there. Now, I know enough to get myself in trouble. I have no idea with purses and pricing. And so I try to spend, to be honest with you, I try to keep in the $5 to $15 range so that way I don't get burned. I get burned many times in the past buying purses that had damage inside I didn't realize, or I thought they were more valuable what they were, or I bought a fake purse, I didn't realize it. So I was just picking up that one purse, had no idea. That black purse I think sells for like $80 to $100, and I had no idea. You know, so we got that one right away, and then as we were leaving, she told me that some of those old C Coach purses that I've been passing up for the last year or two now are starting to come back in style, and that we should look back in that bin because there could be a lot of stuff in there that could be worth money. So we went back through. She grabbed a couple purses. She's like, I know these. I've seen these. They're trending right now. You should pick these up. And then we found those patch wristlets in there. I had no idea that those things were selling for like 70, 80 bucks a pop. And I feel bad because, you know, I offered $60 for all those purses. I was just trying to hedge my bet, try to save them at like $10 to $15 price point. I would have just paid the normal prices if I would have known any better. I didn't realize how good that buy was until I got home. And that's one thing when you're picking. Sometimes you're not going to look everything up. There's a lot of nuances when it comes to purses, and I'm such a newbie when it comes to like purses. I know enough to get myself in trouble, but this is why it's so important to go picking with your spouse, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, because they're going to find things, and I say this all the time, they're going to find things or point things out that are valuable that you may not even know. So that's why this was a great time. And I love hanging out with my wife, and she was able to get the Dooney and Burke for the Disney little Dooney and Burke for her collection. I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching here. Please make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.